Ratatouille.
This is the new Ratatouille ride.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arriving.
It's not
at
open
EPCOT.
yet, but you see back in the back.
Concludes your
Remy's
journey aboard the
Ratatouille
Disney
Adventure.
Skyliner. All
Oh, that's gonna be
passengers
so
must
exciting.
disembark at this station.
So a nice little
Return service
French
is
town.
available. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
That's neat to see. Come back this way to get to it.
Cool.
Please
Alright,
remain
we're
seated
arriving on the
until
Skyliner
the
down to
automatic
EPCOT right now, and here we
When
come.
exiting the cabin, please.
So it's kind of chilly this morning out here,
That's warming up.
but the sun just broke. I can feel the temperature just change a little bit. So we're waiting in line. It's a long line, but it's actually moving fast. I like the new protocols that Disney has down here. You think the lines are real long, but they're actually not.
Moving pretty quickly, thank goodness.
Yeah, moving pretty quickly.
I'll take a picture like this there. Maybe I can Photoshop her in there. You want to stand in her house? No. Go stand in her house.
Now we are kind of walking fast this morning. We want to head over to Frozen and ride Frozen before it gets way too crowded. There's Mexico. And this is Norway. Here we come. All right, here we are at Frozen Ever After. So what do you think about the Frozen Ever After ride?
Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose with coughing and sneezing. And
Very
maintain
frozen.
physical distancing.
Did you get frostbite?
I did.
I didn't get frostbite. I got kind of scared of the big old snowman. Very end.
Olaf's my favorite.
Olaf, Olaf, Olaf. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel.
You know, give us a follow.
Give us a thumbs up, because a thumbs up helps out to as well promoting the channel.
Leave us a comment too.
Who
Or a
knows?
question.
Who knows? May get show dance for you here in a second.
Oh yeah.
You know, since the pandemic, all the workers that work from overseas, you know, they had to go back home. They're not working here no more, so it's kind of a little bit odd when you go into like Norway and you don't see the, I guess you say Norwegians, I guess,
The cast members
are from local here, which I'm okay with promoting local economy.
You want to go that way?
I think it would be best to go to the right, yes. All right, now we're going to a racetrack. You can probably hear it in the background, but here we go. All right,
Ready to get on our car. Test track.
I got the fastest one this side of Mississippi.
Row number 1, baby.
Test.
It was too bumpy, I couldn't hold the phone. Okay.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
That was
This
fun.
concludes your performance
I
testing.
was trying to hold the
You'll
camera.
be able to
just
see how
hold the
your
camera.
Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car. To take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.
Canada. Canada's here. there is a hidden gem back in the back. 30-foot waterfall. We're heading into Canada, the Le Celor restaurant to eat lunch today. So we're at the restaurant, get ready to eat. But this is the menu, how you order your menu. You scan the QR code. Then it pops up the menu. You can pick your menu out. We just came out of the restaurant eating, and all of a sudden the place is packed. Well, I really wouldn't say packed, but it's a lot crowded than it was this morning.
Where?
All right, we're gonna do the paint by number over here. Come up here and get in our paint.
Hello. How are you? Can we do the paint by
You
number?
can choose, yeah, you can choose any color you want.
Okay.
One
just do
per
one.
person.
Which color do you want, hon?
Just do one.
No, you do your own.
Okay, you're going first.
Well, let's do a selfie in front of it with our paint.
And this is what the actual
Mural.
mural will look like once it's finished. All right, hun, so where are we going now?
See.
Here's the nursery.
Nemo and Marlin. There comes Dory. Oh, Nemo and his dad Marlin.
I think that's a tuna.
What kind of fish did you say it was? What
That's like a starfish. So they're so the
So did they know? There's a turtle. I'm sure they're
You're looking at the Florida manatees, commonly known as sea cows. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the thumbs up button and also smash that bell icon so you can be notified of the next video that comes out. We're heading into the land, Soaring, and the other
Living with the land.
Living with the Land ride in the bottom. All right, right now we're in Soaring, heading to Soaring, so here we go. After we finish Soaring, let's go for a boat ride, Living with the Land.
Maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. The future of agriculture may include innovative ideas like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the
Alright, here we go into Figment's imagination.
Come into play? I'd love to!
You're turning this entire open house upside down!
Upside down? Now you're talking!
Alright.
We're heading to Spaceship Earth.
Alright, here we go, Spaceship Earth.
Your slow-moving journey. Your time machine will slowly rotate back.
When we move, the recorded lines stay behind.
We're up there. You can barely see us. The top two there. Yeah, you're up above me, but it's kind of angled. You can't see it.
That's cute.
Usually this place here is busting with activity, but there's nobody in here right now because of COVID. So we're going to exit and go somewhere else right now. This is the walkway going back to the new Ratatouille ride, opening in 2021. It was scheduled to open in 2020 summer, I think it was. Got postponed due to COVID. This is the entrance going into it. Very lovely view though. There are some restrooms down here. New ones built. This is where we'll be heading into. It's all blocked off currently. This restaurant back in the back, we like eating. Get a pizza and a salad back here. Right now we're trying to find plans to eat tonight for dinner. It's gonna be a quick service tonight though. Still looking for a place to eat. There's a lot of food vendors here, but I gotta find something we actually like. There's the line for Frozen Ever After. It was, remember this morning we walked right onto it. Early rise, you get everything done and over with. This is one restaurant I have not ate at. Would definitely like to. Okay, we went to the deconstructive something over there.
Deconstructed dish.
This is what we got. This right here. So we're going to go ahead.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider subscribing, hit that thumbs up, and smash that bell icon. Until next time, safe travels.